So how will service booking work? How will it help your garage? Let's have a look into that today. Hey, this is Chris. Welcome back to another show. This week I want to talk about service booking. So often I'm talking about the absolute must to have MOT booking online and the reminders that go out to people, again, allow themselves to book in, and the solution we offer takes just 5 seconds, and thousands of online bookings take place across our network every month. But now we are offering service booking, and lots of garages have been telling us it's really important that customers can come along onto our website, select a service for their vehicle and book that online. So we've brought this out, we've got some garages using it already, and we're happy to roll this out across our network to new and existing garages. So how will service booking work? How will it help your garage? Let's have a look into that today. One thing that we're really aware of here at MOT Manager is the need for the software to keep improving. So it has to get better all the time. This can be enhanced features, better shortcuts, and also the opportunity for you to expand your range of services. So already we have lots of garages that are sending out MOT reminders. Now, years ago, people would post these out, maybe a letter or a postcode with some key fobs and stickers in cars, and even a little traffic light system that were, the only thing available. And now automatically sending them out automated on text is the number one way to do it, and that's why so many garages are sending their MOT reminders out like that. And then of course, on from that, we've seen old MOT booking systems where maybe someone used to email you or request that they would like to book an MOT, and again now with the MOT booking, it's just direct straight into your calendar and diary. So here we are now with service booking. This has landed. So how are we going to do this? Well, there are of course different services for different cars. So we break this down into 3 simple categories, which is basically a bronze, silver or gold, going from minor to major servicing. So we'll put these into 3 brackets so the customer can choose which service they would want. And this allows you to offer a price scale. So you can put price amounts for those scales which suit your business and what you would charge, and then the customer can then click on select their service at the price or price range that you select, and that will come through to you being put in for a certain day. There is still a little bit more to do with a service, we get that. You're going to have to maybe ring the customer and just clarify a couple of things, but the most important thing is you won't miss the lead. So they're going to come on maybe in the evening, they really want a service, they're able to select it and book it, and then all the information is there for you to process. As well as that, we have now launched automated service reminders. So when you do the service on the car, you'll be able to set a reminder automatically for the next year, which will go out without you having to do anything. So Mr. Jones is going to bring his car in for a service every single year, and you're going to get that work into your workshop. The most important thing is you don't get left behind. Customer loyalty is now with themselves, with their busy schedule and with their smartphone. If you aren't accessible to them to book their MOT and to book their service, they will start to go elsewhere. So don't let your customers stray somewhere else because someone's got this technology in place and you haven't. It's really simple to operate. Let me show it to you. Get in touch, just 10 or 15 minutes of your time, find out more about your garage business and show you some great solutions to make your brilliant garage even better.